Have you ever tried cleaning the inside of your windshield but feel like you're either gonna dislocate your shoulder or pull something in your back, all for a result that has streaks everywhere? Well, in today's video, I'm gonna show you an easier way to clean the inside of your windshield using a special tool. Now, there are a few tools on the market that are similar to this one. This is just the one that I personally prefer, and that is the Reacher from AUTOFIBER. Now, in my next video, I'm gonna be doing a comparison between all those different brands and this one to really see which one works best. But in today's video, we're using the Reacher. I'm gonna show you how to use it and quickly just show you what it comes with. It comes with a little windshield wand, a nice cushioned backing plate. This is the secret here, guys. This is why I like this one more than the others. Because of the cushioning, you get a nice clean result. And then you also get a 3-pack of different microfibers. These are flip towels. So basically you have one side that is a twist loop. This is the one you're gonna use to saturate and clean the windshield. And then you have a nice smooth finish side. They also come with a twist loop side. I just personally like this one. But the beautiful part about this is once one of them gets saturated, you simply flip it over to the other side and you are back in business with a new, fresh, dry, clean side. And another benefit is that you get not just one of these, but you get 3 total. So I'm gonna go ahead and quickly just put this thing together. It's very, very simple. Just take it out of the packaging. Then you simply take the Velcro back side, it's the black side of this little nice cushioned head, and you just apply it to the wand itself. You just wanna center it up, make sure it looks good, and press it down. Then all you have to do from there is slide in your little microfiber piece and you're good to go. Okay, now let's head out to my vehicle and we'll go ahead and show you how to use this thing. Okay guys, so my windshield's not in the worst condition. I keep this thing pretty clean, right? But there's definitely some streaks, some little spotting through here. And then also because it's been cold out here in San Diego, especially in the mornings, you get that layer of fog. And what I'll typically do is just wipe it really quickly, but it doesn't leave a perfect finish. That's another cool benefit of this tool is that on those cold mornings where you have that layer of moisture or just, fog on your glass and you have the defroster on, but it's not quite clearing it up quickly, you can take this really quickly and just wipe everything down and get a nice clean finish because you have both sides to that head and you're able to get a finish without any streaks. But really quickly, I'm just gonna go ahead and film some of the dirt and stuff that I have on my windshield, as you can see here. And I'm just gonna go ahead and add some fingerprints and handprints and kind of just come across. I know it's hard to see. I apologize. It's really hard to see. I don't know if you can see anything really, but trust me when I say it is not clean. Okay guys, now to get started on this process, I insert the wand into the sleeve of the microfiber, right? What you wanna do is take this corner point and put that into this angle here, right into that corner. So that way you're able to get a nice consistent pressure against the whole windshield and really get into all the edges of the corners. Now, if you're using something like this, you're already trying to make the windshield cleaning process easier, right? So don't work against yourself. Don't work in direct sunlight. Don't work when the windshield is hot. That's gonna make it harder for you. This is kind of shaded. I'm okay with it. For me, personally, I'm fine with that. I'm used to it. But all I'm gonna do is take the microfiber piece here and spray it just with water. I made a video in the past about how I clean my windows, and again, I only use water. I don't use any chemical. I don't find the need for it. Just good water and a good microfiber towel, and you're able to get absolutely perfect streak-free results. So I'll go ahead and link that video, guys, up here for you and then down in the description as well if you want to check that one out. Very, very easy process, no chemicals, perfect results. Back to this one though, let's go ahead and load this up with water. Now that I have that nicely saturated, I'm just going to go ahead and do just half the windshield now. Personally, I only do half so I don't leave any risk of the windshield drying out as I'm working. So I'm just gonna go ahead and take it, rub it halfway through. And again, guys, because this little tool is able to reach in all these crevices, I'm not having to contort my body to get into these spots. All right, now that I've saturated all the glass and used enough agitation to remove any of the fingerprints and whatever other kind of streaks are on here, I'm gonna simply flip this over to the nice finished, clean, soft, smooth side and buff it all out. And because the side is so nice and smooth, it really helps to flash it out very, very quickly and easily. Now for side 2, I'm gonna go ahead and position the mirror out of my way, reapply some more water, moisture to this, to the twist loop side of the microfiber pad, and then do the same exact thing, right? Just go ahead, go through, saturate the whole area. Again, using enough friction and force to remove the little, all the little things that are on the windshield. And once I've done that, I'll just simply flip it over and buff it out again. Another cool thing is that this thing absolutely enables you to get super, super low and all the way deep into the corners. And there you go. Absolutely perfect inside of the windshield. Super easy. Didn't have to contort myself. Didn't have to risk dislocating my shoulder. And again, perfect results with this tool. Okay, so that was the reacher tool from AUTOFIBER. But again, like I said, guys, I'm going to be doing a comparison video, and I will be comparing it to the Classic. This one's from Invisible Glass or Stoner Car Care. This is their little windshield wand. And then also Rain-X makes one as well. So I'll be testing that one out. And then I also have just this kind of random package one that I got from an O'Reilly auto parts stores. Now these two retail between $15 and $20 depending on where you get them from. The reacher, on the other hand, retails for about 30 bucks. But like I said, the reason I like this one so much is the differentiating factor of this really, really spongy head. I think that makes a huge difference. And then you also do get the benefit of multiple different really high-end cleaning cloths, right? You get the dual-sided twist loop and then the flat surface for cleaning out your windshield. So in my personal opinion, just anecdotally of using this one, this is definitely my favorite. But in the next video, we will be comparing them side by side, testing out the actual handle strength and seeing how it bends, because that's a terrible thing when you're trying to put some force on there to clean the windshield and it's just flexing all over the place. You're not able to get any pressure on there. It's a big difference. So make sure you guys are subscribed to check that out. As far as the reacher goes from AUTOFIBER, I have this for sale on my personal site. I'll link it down below, but I'll also link it to Amazon. So it's easy for you guys to get. If you're just buying something on Amazon, it's there for you as well. Now, one last reason that I really like this thing from AUTOFIBER is the fact that you actually can just use these without the wand if you want to. Now personally, I've been detailing cars as a professional for 18 years now. I don't know where the time went, but it's been 18 years. I don't use this most of the time when I'm cleaning the interior windshield. I'm very, very capable of cleaning it myself and contorting myself because I'm used to it, right? Again, I've been doing it for 18 years. However, these microfiber flip towels are a phenomenal way to clean your windshield even if you're not using the wand and reaching. The dual density just makes it super, super easy, and the fact that you're able to flip them again to a fresh, clean side is very, very, very valuable. What I personally use the wand option for is especially on those cars that have extreme angles to their windshields. Corvettes, for example, are really, really difficult to actually get in all the way, and where the dash meets the glass, it's very difficult to get all the way in there. Using a tool like this makes it much, much easier for me. My van, my Sprinter van, has a huge windshield. Even though I'm capable of contorting myself, it's still difficult on that. So I'll take this and hit all the sections that are harder to reach. And lastly, like I said, I leave one of these in the car, ready to go at all times, because those cold mornings when you get that condensation on the front windshield, you turn on the defroster and you're waiting and waiting before you can drive because it's still fogged up. Just take this, hit it quickly, flip it over, hit it again. You're not gonna get any streaks, and you're gonna be able to see and drive and get on the road faster. So that's it for today's video, guys. I hope that helps you. I know that the inside of the windshield is a huge pain in the butt for most people. It's really difficult to get. Again, using a tool like that makes it way easier, but a couple more tips. Do it out of direct sunlight, that's gonna help a ton. And do it when the glass is cooled down. You don't wanna do it while the glass is really hot, because again, that's gonna cause it to flash out faster. So that's it. Please make sure to like the video, make sure you're subscribed, and turn that notification bell so you don't miss any upcoming videos, especially the one where I'm gonna be comparing all these other units. And we will see you guys on the next one.